There are a ton of models out there, right? And ton of frameworks out there. So if I'm to go about building a, let's say, fraud detection model or some other model, then how do I go about choosing which model do I use or which framework do I use? Or do you usually bank on somebody else who has done this journey and then, take their learnings to employ this? How do we go about doing this?
So I think the I'll not call it the right, but the best approach which has worked for me personally is setting up a baseline first, which is basically as simple as like a model such as a regression model, right? And then
Hmm.
basically doing some kind of paper research, right? Paper reading, understanding, okay, what is the right way people are solving this problem. Now that could
Right.
mean like implementing bunch of different models. Now once you have figured out the baseline as well as the best model for this, then comes the point of choosing the right framework. Now in this journey you already know, okay, which are the models. Then probably sometimes there will be a trade-off. Okay, probably this building this framework itself is going to take some time. Then you just fall back to a less efficient model, I would say. So yeah,
Right.
selecting a model, doing the right research work is important first, and then doing the framework.
Got it. And I think it'll be an iterative journey as well, right? Like as you said, baseline, you use it, learn with the data, and then take the feedback.
Yes, yes. Again, the same fail fast approach also works here. We have to just do it very, very quickly, all the iterations.
Got it. Sounds fair. So, how do you actually see the space evolving? Like now we have more mature models. Obviously, LLMs have come in with ChatGPT, Claude, Llama 2, ton of other things, right? And there are use case specific LLMs that are coming in as well. So, do you foresee a change in how these problems will be solved in the future? Like, rather than you training a regression model from scratch, would you be banking on these pre-trained models, just fine tune it for use case, and then would they perform better?
Yeah, so I think even before LLMs, right, auto ML started to mature. And how I see this going is probably auto ML frameworks, right? Because a lot of problems cannot be till it's solved by LLMs. So
Right.
they will both go parallelly for me. And auto ML probably will mature from this point of time. And that is going to help a lot of DS folks as well as non-DS folks to get a hold of ML and solve their problems. So
Mhm.
that's how it is going to evolve for me. And yeah, again, if I were to talk about GenAI, there are a lot of different things, right? uh, for me today, GenAI helps me actually write the code very, very quickly. So even if it
Mhm.
is as simple as like writing a regression model, I need not just go out and copy paste from somewhere. I can just call ChatGPT and write a skeleton code. So that's how it is going to help me. Probably in the future, you just say, okay, probably this is the problem statement, and just it gives you the end output as well.
Yeah, fair. So it's right now very good as a productive tool.
Yeah, exactly.